Hi kids! It's time to learn animals with Leo and Max.
Let's go, guys!
Animals are living things. Like plants, animals need food and water to live. They make their own food by eating plants or feeding on other animals. They can also sense what goes on around them, and their bodies allow them to move in reaction to their surroundings. There are millions of different kinds of animals that live everywhere across the globe. Some live on land, in trees, forests, mountains, and even in the water. First, lion. The lion is the second largest member of the cat family after the tiger. Lions live in parts of Africa and India. Their loud roar is among the most terrifying sounds of the grasslands. Lions are often referred to as the king of the jungle. The lion has a long body, short legs, sharp claws, and large head. They're covered with yellow-brown hair. Female lions do most of the hunting, while male lions stay to protect their cub. Zebras. Zebras are mammals that are known for their black and white stripes. They belong to the horse family of animals and live in various parts of Africa. Zebras are often easy to spot because zebras has their own pattern of black and white stripes. They use these stripes to confuse other animals. These cool creatures spend most of their days eating grass, sometimes leaves, shrubs, and twigs. Bears. Bears are large, powerful mammals related to dogs and raccoons. They like to eat meat, berries, roots, and nuts. Most bears are mainly brown, red-brown, black, or white colored. They have poor eyesight, but they have an excellent sense of smell. Most of them are good at climbing trees and at swimming. Bears like to take a very long nap, and sometimes they wake up and go out in the winter. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest living animal that lives on the plains of eastern Africa. Giraffes have a short body, but their legs and neck are very long. The coat is light brown with reddish-brown spots. Many giraffes have two short horns between their ears. They also have large nostrils and a very good sense of smell. Giraffes are plant eaters, and they can reach leaves at the top of trees. Elephants. Elephants are the largest living land animals. Elephants live mainly in forests and grasslands in warm areas of Africa and Asia. An elephant's trunk is an extension of the nose and uses them to grab food to put into its mouth. It can also draw water into the trunk. Elephants usually have two tusks, which are long upper teeth. They also only eat plants, including grass, and often rest during the hottest hours of the day. Monkey. Monkeys are clever, social animals. They are known for running and leaping through trees with ease. Most monkeys live mainly in trees in rainforests. Their hands and feet are good for grasping tree branches, and they like to play a lot. Most monkeys eat mainly plants, fruits, flowers, seeds, shoots, roots, leaves, and even insects. Tiger. The tiger is the largest of the cat family. Like lions, tigers are very strong and fierce hunters and are often found in forests, grasslands, and swamps. Tigers have yellow-orange fur with dark stripes to cover the head, body, and legs, while some tigers are white with black stripes or all white. Tigers hunt alone at night. They prey on animals such as deer and wild hogs and generally avoid large animals such as elephants and bears. Fox. Foxes are mammals that look like small, bushy-tailed dogs. They live in different habitats like farmland, forests, and are found in cold areas. Foxes usually live in dens, which is often a burrow that another animal left and dug. Most foxes hike by day and hunt by night. Foxes will eat almost anything they can find. They like to eat birds, including chickens, and small mammals such as gophers and rabbits. Leopard. The leopard is a wild cat of Africa and Asia. It is known for its spotted coat and is sometimes called panthers. They are found in forests, deserts, grasslands, mountains, and rocky places. They are skilled climbers and good swimmers. Most leopards have yellow fur in the back and dark spots cover much of their bodies. Leopards are fierce predators that hunt mainly at night. Deer. Deer are the only animals that can grow large antlers. They live in a wide variety of places, including forests, swamps, and deserts. They grow antlers, which are bony growths on the head. Deer only eat plants, grass, and twigs. They are rather timid and shy animals. They can sense danger and react swiftly to any sudden movements or sounds, generally by fleeing. Camel. Camels are large mammals that live in several of the world's deserts. They are known for their humps. They also have a long neck, small head, and a split upper lip. Their long eyelashes protect the eyes from sandstorms and the glaring sun. Camels are well adapted to living in deserts. They feed on thorny plants, shrubs, and dried grasses. They can go for days or even months without water. Panda. Panda is a very distinctive animal and is a part of the bear family. Most people in the world are able to recognize a panda because they're so adorable to look at. Panda is only found in bamboo forests in central China. They have a bulky body and black and white fur. Pandas spend most of their time on the ground, but they can also climb trees. They eat mostly bamboo stalks and can spend 12 hours a day just eating. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes. Movies often show gorillas as fierce creatures, but they are actually peaceful and gentle animals. Gorillas live in rainforests and mountains in Africa. Gorillas use their arms and legs to walk. They support part of their weight on the knuckles of their hands, and they rarely stand up straight. They spend most of their time on the ground, but they also climb trees to sleep and feed. Gorillas eat plants, including fruits, leaves, stalks, and shoots. Hippo. The hippo is a huge mammal that lives only in Africa. They spend most of their time in rivers, lakes, and swamps. Hippos spend the day resting in shallow water. They often sleep with just their eyes, ears, and nose above the water. At night, hippos go onto the land to eat grasses. Now it's time to learn more about farm animals. They are animals that live on farms and houses and are usually kept for their produce, labor, or meat. For many years, the relationship between men and certain animals has developed in such a way that people take care of the animals throughout their life, and in return, animals produce dairy such as milk, eggs, and meat that we often eat. While some animals are considered pets because it keeps us company, guards our house, and learn fun tricks. Cats. Cat is an adorable, small mammal that has lived among people for many years and keeps as a pet. House cats eat mainly canned or dry food made especially for them. The cat is the only animal that makes a sound called a purr. Cats produce purring in their throat. No one knows exactly why cats purr, but it may be a sign of comfort. They also make other sounds including meowing, hissing, yowling, and growling. Cow are large, hoofed mammals that people raise for their meat, milk, or hides. In some places, cows also pull carts or farm equipment. Cows live almost everywhere in the world and are often seen at farmlands. Wild and domestic cows eat grasses and other plants. Dogs. The dog is one of the most popular and adored animals in the world. It was one of the first animals to be domesticated or trained and considered as man's best friend. People around the world keep dogs as household pets, guards, or work animals. Dogs make many sounds, including barks, howls, and growls. They also use movements to communicate. For example, when a dog wags its tail, it is happy. Sheep. Sheep are among the most valuable of all domestic animals. People raise sheep for their meat, milk, and wool. Some people also drink sheep milk and is also used to make cheese. Sheep eat grass and plants and often graze in large groups or flocks. They like to live in high and dry areas. Donkey. Donkey is a member of the horse family. They were first domesticated by humans in Africa and are now used around the world as working animals. They are shorter than horses but can carry heavy loads over rough land. The donkey can handle the uneven ground of the mountains better than a horse can. Goat. Goats are horned mammals that are closely related to sheep. People keep goats for their meat, milk, and wool. Goats eat grass and shrubs and often live on farmlands and mountains. They can climb on cliffs and rocks without losing their footing. Goat produces milk to make excellent cheese. Horse. The horse is a mammal that people have valued for thousands of years. In the past, people commonly used horses to get from one place to another and to pull heavy loads. Horses once roamed free over grasslands. Today, however, almost all horses are domesticated or tamed. Horses are very strong and fast runners. They like to eat on grass and roam on grass fields all day. Lastly, pig. Pigs are stout, barrel-shaped mammals that are known for their big appetites. Farmers raise domestic pigs for their meat and turn them into bacon, pork, and ham. Wild pigs eat a wide variety of food, including leaves, roots, and fruit, while domestic pigs eat grains. Pigs are incredibly intelligent and have a good sense of smell. They like to play and lie in muddy places all the time. Well, I hope you learned a lot about animals today, kids. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Bye, friends!